Hello students, myself Hemlata Bad, welcome you to my class, and in this video I will teach you how to correct sentences. Okay, previously we already learned about naming words, one and many also, so let's recap a few things again. We count our naming words, and in a sentence first we have to find out the naming word just after the word one or many. So, in number one, there are many students in my school. We have got this word many, and after many, what is written? Student. Student is a naming word, and we are counting our student many. Many means more than one. So, student is only one in number here, but many means when there are more than one student. So, we have to change our naming word by adding s or es at the last. So as you all know that most naming words gets changed by adding s when they show their many form. Here we don't have x, s, double s, tch, o at the end of this word. So we do not need to add es. Simply we will add s to make it many. So answer will be there are many students in my school. Let us take the second example. My father got a toffees for me. A and 1 mean the same. A means the one and 1 means the one also. So A and 1 mean the same. We have got this A and the word just after it is toffees. This is a naming word. So we have to change this naming word. A toffees. A means only one, but toffees means more than one. So this is wrong. We have to correct it. Toffees. We have to write the one form of toffee. What will be? Only toffee. TOFFE. We will cut S from here. So answer will be my father got a toffee for me. There are many sunflowers in the garden. Find out where is many. Here is many. And the word just after many is sunflower. Okay, this is a naming word. Whom do we count? We count our naming word. So here we have to change this naming word. Whether it is right or wrong, first we have to judge whether it is right or wrong. Many means more than one. But sunflower, there is no s or es at the last. So sunflower is only one here. But many means more than one. We have to change this naming word as the rule tells us that we have to add s or es at the end of the word to change to its many form. Okay, students, simply we will add s at the last to make many sunflower. So answer will be there are many sunflowers in the garden. I have two pencil. Two. Two means many. More than one means many. So two pencils. We have found out two and the word just after two is pencil. It is a naming word. So we will change this naming word as per our rule. And the rule tells us that we will add only s to make it many. I have two pencils. pencils. In this way, if I tell you, I have seen two fox. Okay, I have seen two fox. I have seen two fox. I have seen two fox. What does it mean? Two fox. Two means more than one. And just after two, this is our naming word. Two means more than one. And fox, here is only fox. Fox means only one fox here. We have to change this naming word as per our rule. But our rule tells us that when there is x at the end of a word, we have to add es to make it many. So I have seen two foxes, foxes. So students, while you will correct the sentences depending on many or one, we have to keep in mind our rules. The first rule is mostly naming words get added by s when they show their many form. But if there is x, sh, ss, s, tch or o at the end of any word, we will add es to make their many forms. Okay? If I write here, I have to brush. Many means more than one, but sometimes you will not get many exactly written in a sentence. You may get two, you may get one. One means one, a means one, right? A means one form, only one. Many means more than one. Simply, two means more than one, many. Three means more than one. If you find any number, 1, 2, 3, sorry to say not one, if you find any number 2, 3, 4 or any number except one, these are called many. I have to brush, two means more than one, that is many. So we have to change this naming word according to our rule. Brush, 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 this word has ended in sh. So first we will recall the rule that words ending in sh gets added by es to make their many forms. What will be answer? I have two brushes, because we have to add es to make its many form. I have two brushes. In this way, first you have to find out where many or one is written. Once you found out, when you will find out where is many, you have to find out just after it where is the naming word. Just after the naming word just after many or one. Many here and student here, student is a naming word. So we have found out many is here and the word just after is here, student. So we have to change this naming word. We have to change this naming word because a one is here and toffees are here. We have to change this word. Okay, we change our naming words because we can count them. We change our naming words from one to many to show their many form. Clear?